one well-placed shot can change the course of history. Pious Vex served as a member of the Ravenguard Legion during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. A veteran of the Lycaen Uprising, fighting by the side of his Primarch prior to his ascendance to the form of a Space Marine, this freedom fighter turned Astartes earned many glories as among Corvus Corax's most prestigious warriors. Revered as part of the Legion's elite Shadow Masters, the Mor Deythan, Vex's clandestine deeds would be overshadowed by his legendary actions made during the devastating battle of Istvaan V. Imbued with fervent rage, witnessing the betrayal of his kinsmen, Vex's marksmanship incurred a vast toll of traitors, allowing his kinsmen to withdraw from the Urgal Depression. Surviving the Dropsite Massacre, Vex cared not for his own survival, his rallying call for vengeance drawing like-minded ravens to his side, as under his leadership they embarked to bring the Warmaster's men to justice. Targeting traitor cells and threats to his legion hereafter. Though the fate of Pious Vex is unknown, what is doubtless is that no shot made in the Ravenlord's name failed to hit its mark.